Dumbo, what am I gonna do when I see Finding Neverland next year? You gotta say it for the rest of the video. Me and Pinocchio are faking trying to be sick again. Don't care about that. Or something like that. He needs a wake-up call. No, Dumbo, it's early. Dumbo, I think I'm gonna... Are you gonna fart on me, Stinky Pete? Hey, Stinky Pete, stop farting again. It's disgusting. You're kinda trying to poop yourself in the toilet. Get back to work, Dumbo. I don't care about myself no more. Train me nicely. I'm not going anywhere. Can't bring circus animals. Dumbo, what are you doing? Nothing. Just absolutely nothing. Just let me figure out this. Or something like that. Don't look at me like that. I don't care. Dumbo, watch porn. No, you do it all the time. You watch porn in private. Play with your penis in private. Watch porn at your own time. I don't pay you to watch porn again. Pinocchio! Come on, Pinocchio! 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 What are you doing? Oh my goodness, why? Pinocchio, your legs are getting burned on the stove again. What is this? Why would I do this? You know the stove is not a bed again. I told you that. The stove is not a bed. I told you that tons of times before. You got your legs burned on the stove again. I can't believe it. Murdering Jiminy Cricket with a hammer. Falling asleep by the stove. Running out naked. And the worst part is, Pinocchio, I beg you not to fall asleep by the stove again. Again means the consequence. Don't get your legs burned on the stove again. The stove is not a bed. Getting yourself hung by the fox and the cat. The worst part is, you're being sold to a circus. Took some bitter medicine. And the worst part is, Pinocchio, the blue fairy's dead. And I don't care about your friend Lamprick dying or other stuff. Pinocchio, I don't care no more. No falling asleep by the stove again. Don't do it again. Ever. The stove is not a bed. I told you. The stove is not a bed. Don't repeat after me. Listen here, Dumbo. I know my origin was kind of dark and not suitable to children. Yeah, but it's a children's story like Snow White, and Aristocats, and Bambi, and most eventually me, Dumbo. My origin was kind of dark and not suitable to children. I can talk, but I have a very strange accent. Well, I wonder if he's going to see Peter Pan on Broadway. Or something like that. Pinocchio, I'm gonna... Don't you dare fart! Hey, Stinky Pete, stop farting again. It's disgusting. Hey, Stinky Pete, stop farting. Hey, Stinky Pete, stop farting again. I told you no farting like Stinky Pete. Pinocchio, I hate to say this. Stinky Pete is from Toy Story. And you're not from Toy Story. You may be a toy, but you're also a real person. You're not a real person yet, Pinocchio. You're just a wooden marionette puppet. You are a child's plaything. Dumbo, I don't care no more. Don't you lie to me ever again. Ever! You know, Dopey is a magical creature, not a dwarf. Dumbo, don't talk to Pinocchio no more. Screw this. But what about Wall-e? He's immortal. You know, being alive sounds inconvenient. I'm Dumbo. I don't care about no more. No. Movie. You. Book. Why would I watch movies? Or read books? You know what the difference between my movie and my book. The differences between the movie and the book is that I can talk, but in the movie I don't. I mean, I can talk, but a very strange accent. I'm Dumbo, and I don't care about no more of this shit no more! Listen here, Dumbo. What do you want? What do you want, Pinocchio? Pinocchio, I don't care no more. I don't care about that no more! Or something like that. What's with the hiccups, dude? Is that coming out of me? I think we need to take a look at you. Alright. Where were we? Oh, yes. Okay. Alright. So, you two, I have a special mission for you two. What seems to be the problem, Dumbo? Yeah, tell us the truth. Pinocchio has hiccups, and you two have to think of what we're gonna do. There's only like one thing you can do. Scare the hiccups away. Drink water. And most eventually, Nola and Wall-e, let Pinocchio hold his breath. Well, he's gonna die if you do that. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. Pinocchio has the hiccups, and I don't know how to get rid of it. Well, there's only like some rules we can do. I think we have a thing we need to catch, Dumbo. Okay, let's see what we can do. See. Okay, Pinocchio. We got some rules. Hold your breath only like a few seconds. I would rather die. I don't think I could hold my breath much longer. I'm sorry, Dumbo. Oh, that sucks. Got any other better ideas? How about if I let him drink himself a bottle of fudging water? You can't say the F word. It's a bad word, okay? Okay, Wall-e? No more F words. Alright. Okay, Pinocchio. We can do this. No matter what. Let's see what we can do. How about if I give you... Let Wall-e have a nice drink of cold water. Okay, then. I don't think that's gonna work. Okay, then. Stand on one foot and hop like just hop like the White Rabbit from Alice in Wonderland. Okay. 1, 2... that didn't work either. Can you do a handstand? I can't, but I don't think I could. My neck will easily break. There's no way we can do it to get rid of these once and for all. I don't care no more. Oh, come on. You know better. What if you just try and scare his hiccups away? I got it. They're gone! I think my hiccups are gone! Oh, now you three got the hiccups now. I don't know what to do with you three now. Yep. You have it your way. That sucks of my stupid fucking clown. Dumbo! Come on, I can't get... Oh my goodness! No! Oh well, have it your way.